If you want to install a new launcher on Google Pixel 10a, all you have to do is you need to go to the Play Store, and then over here we can tap on search, and you can simply search at the top over here for a launcher. Just type launcher in here, and you should be able to find many different launchers that you can use on your phone quite easily. You can try to find your favorite one, and let's say I'm gonna use the Microsoft launcher in this example. I'm gonna install it, I'm gonna show you how to set it up, but feel free to try anything from that list. So once the launcher is installed, usually you have to set it up. That depends on the launcher itself, what has to be done. In this case, we need to tap on get started. You don't have to agree to use location bar by the launcher. You can allow to send notifications if you want to. We can grant access to photos and videos. In this case, we have the option to sign into a Microsoft account for this specific launcher, but we can actually skip this, and we don't have to agree to anything in here to actually use the launcher. And usually when you are all set, you need to set the new launcher as the default one. So whenever you go to the home screen, you will actually use the new launcher instead of the standard one. Your phone, the app actually usually sends you a message or an option to go immediately to the settings where you can change the default launcher. And there we go. As you can see now, it is the standard one. If I try to go to the home screen, it goes to this new launcher. In case you don't have the option, if the app didn't provide you the option to switch the default launcher, then in this case you want to open the settings on your phone, then over here go to apps, and then in here we have default apps, and then go to the home app, and you can decide which launcher you want to use. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.